Lamont Brothers, nauna na, final. Oh, hard foul mula kay Vince Season.
And Struthers again down on the floor, not reacting to the hard contact by Vince Season, which will be his 5th personal foul.
Ito yung huling play. Talagang hindi niya papabayaan yan si Vince Season laban kay Lamont Brothers.
Partner, a big swing here because kung naka-score yung Ginebra San Miguel kanina, that lead would have been brought down to just 3 points. But Guido Babilonia hauling down the rebound, preventing a second opportunity for Ginebra San Miguel in its offense.
Alam niyo po, San Miguel Beer has been to the finals ng third conference 2 beses in the last 3 years. They were there last year. They were there in 1993. In fact, they won in 1993. Samantalang Ginebra San Miguel has been to the semis of all 3 conferences sa isang season for the first time since 1988.
A major comeback here by San Miguel Beer. Kanina nakita natin, down by 8 at the half. San Miguel Beer waking up.
Pangalawa ni Lamont Brothers mintis. This is just a 6-point lead. 2 possession ball game.
Looking for a 3-point shot, and there's Schofield. Wala na naman.
Offensive rebound. Locks in. 4 ang abante ng San Miguel Beer.